Hey friends, today on the Velour channel, I'll show you how to add your name to the iPhone lock screen. To do this, open the curtain, tap on Focus, then New Focus, select Custom and name it with your own name. My name is Robert, for example. I already have one set up. Choose an icon and you can select a color too. Tap Next. Click Customize Focus. Select which home screen it will work with and tap Apply. Now, even when you turn on your phone, your name will appear here. You can also download an app from the App Store. Text. Any text. I believe it's called Any Text Widget. Here's the app. Open it and name your first widget with your name too. There. Then just edit your lock screen. Edit the lock screen when your phone is locked. Press and hold the lock screen, tap the Customize button and add this widget there. This was Velour with you. See you later.